Today I'm going to take my dogs outside for a bit. My dogs get really excited when I grab the leash. So here we go. Want to go on a walk? Come on. Want to go on a walk? Yeah? Let's go. Come on. Come on, you lazy dog. Where do we sit around? Come on. Oh, wow, there's another dog. Want to go? You want to go now? It's time to go. Let's go. Oh, gosh. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, man. Okay, I can't even shut the door. My hands are occupied right now. Ugh. Okay. Alright. Time to go around the house a bit. I rarely ever take the dogs out. I mean, all they do is sit around the house and... Oh, censored. Let's not... Okay. Yeah. So, hope you guys are having a good day or evening or whatever time you're watching the video. I hope it's going good for you. Right now, I'm just letting the dog take me where I'm going. Sometimes they just are so fierce that they take you everywhere. Oh, I was planning on going that way so I could show you guys something, but I guess not. Yeah, we've got 2 dogs. This one here is Latte. She's a little older than the other one. Latte's her name because color, black, and then color of the drink. I'm pretty sure the drink is black, but yeah, our other one, it's funny because this one's Latte and the other one's Chai. He's brown. He's like a German Shepherdish. He's a mix. Yeah, he's a lot younger than this one too. We're just going on a walk because she barely ever gets to get outside. What you doing? You're just snoozing around everywhere you go? Yeah. I remember these dogs used to beat up on cats. It was horrible because we had at least like 8 cats around here, and it minimized down to like 2. I think. I don't even see the 2 cats anymore. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, I gotta show you guys one thing real quick. Come here, Latte, let's go this way. Oh, that's not safe. Here, let me fix that for you. Alright, let's go this way. So, I never got to show you guys the new car that my parents got. I was so stoked when they got it. It's a 2012 Camaro. No, it's not a Camaro. What am I thinking? It's a 2012 Mustang right here. So I'll show you guys it. It's funny because my dad, he's pretty much the one that bought it, and my mom, she's the only one that's driven it so far. I've ridden it at once, and it was really nice. But yeah, I just thought that was kind of funny because poor dad, he gets a car, and then my mom's the one who drives it everywhere. But she really enjoys it, and that's always a good thing because not everybody has a Mustang. I still can't believe we have it. It's nice and black, it's cool, just like my dog. But yeah, it's black. I'm pretty sure they got it for only like $18,000 or something like that. Funny story on it. Like 2 days afterwards, our grandma, or I think it was 2 to 3 days, something like that. In the morning, our grandma, it was really dark, and they parked it over there in our driveway a bit, and she backed up right into it, right into the Mustang after like the 3rd or 4th day of having it. It was really kind of depressing, so they had to go in and get the dent all fixed. I'm pretty sure it was something around $2,000, but yeah, black Mustangs, be careful with them in the night. Alright, where are we going now? Oh, she's forcing me to go under these. Oh, okay, yeah, let's go around, dog. I'm not as small as you are. Yeah, let's go around a bit. There's a tarp there. Right over the tarp, right over it. Yeah, it's November, right before Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is next week, and I'm so stoked for it. We get a week off. So happy just to be able to relax and not deal with school and stuff. I've been so busy with school. Are you just gonna go right under those weeds? Are you really? That means I'm gonna have to. You have so much dirt on you. I'm actually excited for class tomorrow though, because in the morning at WCC, that's the school I attend right now, we're all bringing food, and the teachers are bringing turkey, and we're gonna have like a Thanksgiving dinner thing all day. And, like, who wouldn't want to do that during class? It's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna have no breakfast and then just pig out, and oh, it's gonna be a good time. Me and my friends, and yeah. Oh, and I forgot to say, here's a few pictures of med prep class last week when we were doing Disneyland stuff. It's a wonderful November night with beautiful skies. Just so cool. Alright, yeah, that's all we're doing today, guys. Just a simple vlog, you know. But thanks for watching again. I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe and like if you would like to. Yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your night or day or whatever. It's time for me to flap out. See ya.